Lesson: Cross-border data transfer regulations in blockchain. Cross-border data transfer regulations in blockchain technology present a complex and multifaceted challenge for professionals seeking to maintain compliance while leveraging the benefits of decentralized systems. Blockchain's inherent characteristics, such as immutability, decentralization, and transparency, often clash with traditional regulatory frameworks, particularly when data crosses international boundaries. This lesson aims to provide actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks to address these challenges effectively. Blockchain operates on a decentralized network where data is stored across multiple nodes that could be located in different jurisdictions. This global distribution of data necessitates a comprehensive understanding of cross-border data transfer regulations, which vary significantly from one country to another. For instance, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation imposes strict rules on data transfers outside the EU, requiring organizations to ensure that adequate protections are in place. Non-compliance can result in hefty fines, making it crucial for blockchain professionals to navigate these regulations effectively. One practical tool for managing cross-border data transfers in blockchain is the use of privacy-enhancing technologies. PETs, such as homomorphic encryption and zero-knowledge proofs, allow for the protection of personal data while still enabling the functionality of blockchain applications. These technologies can help ensure compliance with data protection regulations by minimizing the amount of personal data that is exposed during cross-border transactions. Implementing PETs requires a thorough understanding of cryptographic principles and the ability to integrate these technologies into existing blockchain architectures. Another framework for addressing cross-border data transfer challenges is the adoption of standardized data protection agreements, such as the EU Standard Contractual Clauses. These clauses provide a legal mechanism for transferring personal data from the EU to third countries, ensuring that the data is afforded the same level of protection as it would receive within the EU. Blockchain professionals can incorporate SCCs into their data transfer processes to facilitate compliance with the GDPR and other similar regulations. This requires a careful assessment of the data flows within the blockchain network and a clear understanding of the contractual obligations imposed by the SCCs. The use of blockchain interoperability protocols can also enhance compliance with cross-border data transfer regulations. Interoperability protocols enable different blockchain networks to communicate and exchange data, allowing for greater flexibility in how data is stored and processed across borders. For example, the Interledger Protocol facilitates transactions between different blockchain systems without compromising the security or privacy of the data involved. By leveraging interoperability protocols, blockchain professionals can design systems that are more adaptable to varying regulatory requirements and can more easily implement data localization strategies where necessary. Case studies provide valuable insights into how organizations have successfully navigated cross-border data transfer regulations in blockchain. One noteworthy example is the partnership between IBM and Maersk to develop a blockchain-based supply chain platform. The platform, known as TradeLens, manages vast amounts of data across international borders, requiring strict compliance with data protection regulations. By utilizing blockchain's transparency and auditability features and implementing robust data governance frameworks, TradeLens has managed to address regulatory challenges effectively while enhancing supply chain efficiency. Statistics indicate that non-compliance with cross-border data transfer regulations can have significant financial repercussions. According to a study by the Ponemon Institute, the average cost of a data breach involving cross-border data transfers is $3.9 million USD, with regulatory fines and legal fees representing a substantial portion of this cost. These figures underscore the importance of implementing effective compliance strategies to mitigate the risks associated with cross-border data transfers in blockchain. Professionals can further enhance their proficiency in managing cross-border data transfers by adopting a risk-based approach to compliance. This involves conducting comprehensive data protection impact assessments, to identify and mitigate potential risks associated with data transfers. DPIAs provide a structured framework for evaluating the impact of data processing activities on privacy and compliance, allowing organizations to implement appropriate safeguards and controls. By integrating DPIAs into their compliance processes, blockchain professionals can proactively address regulatory challenges and ensure that their systems align with applicable data protection laws. To facilitate the practical application of these insights, blockchain professionals should engage in continuous education and training on cross-border data transfer regulations. This includes staying informed about changes in regulatory frameworks, emerging technologies, and best practices for compliance. Professional certification programs, such as the Certified Blockchain Governance and Compliance Specialist, offer valuable resources and training opportunities to help professionals stay abreast of these developments and enhance their expertise in blockchain governance and compliance. In conclusion, cross-border data transfer regulations in blockchain present a unique set of challenges that require a nuanced understanding of both technology and law. By leveraging privacy-enhancing technologies, adopting standardized data protection agreements, utilizing interoperability protocols, and implementing risk-based compliance strategies, blockchain professionals can effectively navigate these challenges and ensure compliance with international data protection regulations. Case studies and statistics highlight the tangible benefits of these approaches, emphasizing the importance of proactive compliance management in the blockchain domain. Continuous education and professional development are essential for maintaining proficiency in this rapidly evolving field. Equipping professionals with the tools and knowledge needed to address cross-border data transfer challenges effectively.